Hi guys, it's me, Tech Jake, and if you want to buy this 3300 lumen WXGA ultra short throw interactive projector with mount, you might want to stick around, because this is not your average classroom or conference room projector. Let's dive right into it. So this is an ultra short throw interactive projector. And right out of the gate, 3300 lumens. That means it's bright. Like really bright. Bright enough to cut through ambient lighting in a classroom or meeting space without washing out your content. Whether you're projecting slides, videos, or interactive content on a whiteboard or wall, it's going to look clear, sharp, and legible even with the lights on. The resolution is WXGA, that's 1280 by 800, not quite full HD, but still sharp enough for most educational and business use cases. It hits the sweet spot for visibility without taxing performance. But let's be honest, the standout feature isn't just the brightness or the resolution. It's the ultra-short throw lens and the interactive functionality that really make this a beast in its category. Now let's talk ultra-short throw. With a UST design, you can place the projector just a few inches away from the wall or screen and still get a massive image, like 100 inches or more. That's a huge win for tight spaces. And even better, because it's so close to the wall, you're not casting shadows when you stand in front of the image. You can actually interact with the projection, literally, without blocking the view for everyone else in the room. Speaking of interaction, yes, this projector supports interactivity, and it does it really well. Whether you're using included pens or touch input, depending on the model, it turns your projected surface into a smartboard-style digital canvas. Annotate slides, write directly onto the screen, collaborate in real time. This is where traditional projection steps into the 21st century. It's also bundled with a mount, which is super important. Because mounting an ultra-short throw projector properly is not as simple as it looks. The included mount is built specifically to keep the projection angle, distance, and height calibrated, so you're not spending hours fiddling with alignment. It's one of those things that makes installation more plug and play and less trial and error. Now let's talk connectivity. It's got all the standard ports you'd expect: HDMI, VGA, USB, audio in and out, and probably LAN for network control. That makes it super versatile for different types of inputs, from modern laptops to older legacy systems. And it supports multi-device environments too, so switching sources is smooth. In terms of design, it's compact, it's functional, and it's made for utility, not for flash. This isn't some living room centerpiece, it's a tool. But a powerful one. The vents are well placed, the heat management is efficient, and the fans are surprisingly quiet for a unit of this brightness. Another underrated feature, the lamp life. A lot of these models now come with 10,000 plus hours in eco mode, which means fewer replacements and lower maintenance costs. If you're in a school or office where the projector runs daily, that's a real budget saver over time. Now, is it perfect? If you're looking for 4K, this isn't it. If you need deep contrast and cinematic visuals for movies or gaming, there are better options. But for presentations, education, interactive lessons, workshops, this is exactly what you want. It's designed for function, reliability, and collaboration. One more thing. The setup software and calibration tools included are usually very intuitive. You're not just buying hardware, you're getting a system that's been designed to integrate into a digital classroom or conference room environment. So, to wrap it up, you get a bright 3300 lumen display, ultra-short throw projection, interactive smartboard features, and a purpose-built mount all in one package. It's clean, efficient, and built for serious work. If you're looking to turn your wall into an interactive digital workspace, this projector brings a lot of power to the table, or more accurately, to the wall. If you want to check it out or grab one for yourself, hit the link in the description. That's been it from me, Tech Jake, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.